How to find chat history on Claude AI? Here's how. First, open Claude on your PC and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the main screen, look at the left side of the screen. Here, you'll see your recent conversations listed in the sidebar. I don't have too many chats in my account, so my sidebar looks pretty clean. But if you have a lot of conversations, this list can quickly become difficult to manage, and finding a specific chat can be much harder. To find your previous conversations more easily, click on Chats from the left-hand menu. This will open your full list of chats, making it easier to browse through your conversation history. If you still can't find the conversation you're looking for, use the search bar at the top. Type a keyword related to the conversation you want to find, and Claude will show you the relevant chats. Once you find the conversation, simply click on it to open and continue where you left off. And if you want to start a new conversation, you can click New Chat from the same area. As a useful tip, try giving your important conversations clear and specific names. This makes them much easier to find later, especially if you have a lot of chats. And that's it. That's how you can find your chat history on Claude AI. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.